It's my duty and privilege to bring in Skip Bedell to make sense of it all. He's America's home contractor. Hey, Skip, make it look easy.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yes, it's the springtime. It's time to get organized and get your garage cleaned out. And Rubbermaid has got the solution with that with their 7x7 shed. So this is super easy to build. Allison and I built this the other day just in about 2 hours. We built it on a solid concrete slab, so it's very durable. It stands up to wind. It stands up to rain. It stands up to snow. It's a really great place to put all your tools and organize. Let me take you inside and show you just how cool this thing really is. You're going to love it. So if you notice inside, it has all these shelves. It has a rack system in here, all these accessories. It allows you to organize everything. So all the clutter that you had in your garage now, you can put these accessories that are designed for this shed to go right on here and keep everything organized and nice and dry and keep it safe. If you notice, it's on a level concrete slab. It gives you a floor, so it keeps everything dry. It's got some windows up on the top, which allows you to get nice natural daylight. And it's also got a lot of ventilation. So this is just a great place to keep all of your tools. And as I mentioned, it's built on a concrete slab, so it keeps it level. You want to make sure you go check this out at Home Depot. You can also find it at homedepot.com. It's a great project for the weekend. So after you get all your tools hung up and organized, you want to get outside, start cleaning up. So this is one of my favorite battery-operated tools. This is the Ego multi-tool. So what's great about this is that you buy one tool and then you have 7 different attachments that snap onto this. Like here's a chainsaw that snaps right into this tool, and it makes it easy for me to use the tool and chainsaw or saw up on top of a tree. This is a hedge trimmer. So right now we're cutting back all the hedges and branches on the trees. So this one's great. I love this because it allows me to get up really high and I can trim branches that I wouldn't normally be able to do without getting on a ladder, and it's really unsafe. So the multi-tool allows you to buy one tool, have 7 different attachments, saves you a lot of space in that shed, and they all work on Ego's 56-volt lithium-ion battery, which is a great platform. It's the best in the business. So check out Ego. That's a great way to save space and have a great tool. And then after you get everything trimmed up, guys, I love this thing. This is a Snapper Self-powered cart. You got to check this out. So look at this. It has an 82-volt battery that goes inside of it. It has forward and reverse. You can load it up with all of the stuff that you collected around your yard. And watch this. One hand, you can just drive it around. It's motorized, so it does all the work for you. It saves your back. You don't have to lift. You don't have to pull. And let me show you the best part about this. When you get where you want to go, you can reverse it. Or when you want to dump your load, you just simply put the handle, and it's a built-in dump truck right into the cart. Motorized takes all the work out of the yard work for you. So this is a fantastic product from Snapper.
Hey, Skip, a little bit of controversy. I watched that time-lapse construction of your Rubbermaid shed. It seemed to be all Allison. Yes. It seemed like Allison was doing most of the work. You were doing the camera.
Just so you know, it's always all Allison. That's the boss. You know how that goes, man.
Especially now that you're working out of the house. Yeah. Good move.
And she always loves it when we say your website. What is it?
SkipBedell.com.
Yeah, SkipBedell.com. I have special links to all this stuff to make it easy. All right, guys. Have a great weekend.
You too.